18712 Parkmont virtual tour. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, nice property, great neighborhood. This doesn't have a dog in it, so we're good. But it's got a fenced-in backyard, 1-car garage, a little back exit there. A lot of good amenities in this house. Let's go inside. So this is your living room. Again, a great, big, good-sized real living room. You got vinyl windows in this property also. And you got gas heat, gas cook stove here. And you have forever hot water. So if you want hot water, this is your place. This is forever. There's your heater. And this is your back area here. So this is a nice. Here's that. There is central air there. You see this is your backyard. Let's go in here. There's two bedrooms on the first floor. Here. So there's this one, which is a good size one. Again, you got the vinyl windows, blinds. It's just a nice, clean house. Nice. Here's another one, another bedroom. So you can see this is all coming together really nice. Nice place, won't last very long. Here's your bathroom. You got like a step-in shower there. There's no tub, which is nice. And it has the big upstairs bedroom. Here. You get a nice open space here, hallway type. And then you have a bedroom. And there's your closet. Again, this is a very nice property. There's no basement here. So this is your end of your virtual tour. Thanks, and have a great day.